Hi, this is Said. I'm going to take a 100 code challenge. This is my day one. As I have some web development knowledge, I have some knowledge on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So today I'm going to take a challenge to solve JavaScript problem. Let's see how far can I solve the problem. So here I have four problems. So I'm going to solve one by one. All are very basic JavaScript problems. So let's go. I have a folder for name 100 Day Code Challenge, and here I'm going to take another folder called Basic JavaScript problems. I'm going to open it in a terminal, and from here I'm going to open my VS Code. Just simply typing code and code space dot as it's happened on Windows. So I have my VS Code open in my left side, as you can see. It's all here. So let's split the screen so it will be easy to see the question and the answers. Okay. Uh, let's take a file named problem1.js. Okay. Here in the problem one, we can say that here's the problem one. Harry's mom gave him money and asked him to buy some orange and apple. Write a program to help Harry calculate how much money the shopkeeper will return. So here is our the main task is to write a program which will calculate how much money the shopkeeper will return. So here is some instruction input. The first line of the input is the taka his moms gave him. The second line is the cost of 1 kg of 1 kilogram of orange and 1 kilogram of apple. So here is a little sample. So that's code. So uh, let's take a simple variable name mom's given money is equal to 1000, and take another variable called orange oranges unit price is 300, and another variable called apples unit price, it's 200. So we have all our inputs. As we are not taking any input from outside, we are going to show this in our console only. So this is our input right now. Now we have to make a solution. So let's take another variable named total expense. Expense is equal to orange unit price plus apple unit price. Okay, you can see it properly right now. So Let's console log the total price, see if it is working. Console log total expense. Okay, the terminal is open. So yeah, uh, it's showing 500. So the code is working. So let's take another variable, name return money, is equal to mom's given money. If we just simply simply subtract the total expense from mom's given money, it will show the return money. So we are going to do that. So total expense. In this line, we just take a variable the name return money, and after that, from mom's given money, we just subtracted the total expense, and if we console log return money, so we can see the answer, which is 500, because mom's given money was 1000, orange unit price was 300, and full unit price was 200. So 300 and 200 is equal to 500, which we can see in this line. And after subtracting from 1000 uh, the total expense, it will be 500. So if we make any changes, let's say the orange price is right now is 314. So let's see how it is work. Yeah, it is working right now. So this is problem one, and it's solved now. So we can clear the console. Okay. Now our first problem is solved. Let's go solve second problem, and take another file name problem 2. It says okay. Uh, in this problem, write a program to calculate the average mark of mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics, and Bangla. Bangla, which is a subject name in Bengali of student. Input. The first line of the input is marks of the 5 student mentioned above, respectively. Okay. Here we have the marks, and here is our output. Let's write our code. Okay, first we have to declare some variable with the name of the subject. So let's write some variable. So I'm going to use a short form of the long subject names. Math is equal to 75, 65, it's 75.25. We can use this keyword because it is reserved keyword, and it's showing them it's reserved keyword, so we can't use math, so it must be mathematics. Okay, the problem solved. Okay, we have all five subjects and their marks. So, as we all know that know how to calculate average. So first we have to uh, take another variable called total marks. This is equal to. We just have to uh, add all of these marks of all subjects. So we just simply uh, add it. So mathematics, chemistry. Okay, let's check. You is our total marks. How much is our total marks? So just console log total marks. Now open terminal. As you don't know how to open terminal, it's Control plus J in uh, Windows and Command plus J in Mac. So you can easily make it. So let's see the total marks. Not it's 322. If you 355.2. Okay. Now we just have to make the average. As we all know that if we divide total marks by how many subjects is here, as we can see here is five subjects. So we can take another variable name average. This is equal to total marks divided by 5. So if average marks, if we console log average marks, we can see the average. Uh, it's showing a big number after decimal, and here is one condition we have to show it in two decimal places. So for showing in two decimal places, we just have to uh, make it. We just have to use parse float. So let's see parse float. So undefined, I don't know how it is works. Is it is a, okay. No, we just have to make it two fixed. It's two fixed, and we have to send the decimal number. How many decimal we want? So I'm sorry, it's not parse float. It's two decimal. So if we run, we can see that 71.04 is the answer. We can make we can show three decimal number too. But one thing you notice that it is not showing a number, it's string now. if we want to show the number, we have to make a parse. So let's do this thing. Average marks is equal to parse plot and average marks into two fixed into and here we have no if we uh, console log average mark just we can see the answer 71.04. So here is the total solution of problem 2. So you can see it's all here. Okay.